Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna quickly walk you through that how to archive and unarchive Instagram post in step by step. For this one, you have to go to on Instagram, then you have to go to on your profile. After that, you have to open up the photo you need to archive. Then click on this three dot bar. After that, you can see here is an option that called archive. Then you have to click on it. Then your photo will be archived. What if you need to unarchive this photo? Then follow the simple steps. Click on this three dot bar. After that, click on this archive option. Here you can see your archived photo is appear here, and you have to click on it. Then click on it three dot bar. After that, you can see here is two options: show on profile and delete. You have to click on show on profile. Then go back to your profile and refresh it. Then you can see your archived photo will appear here. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and like this video. Till then, peace.